Again, let me repeat, Tobong Lore, karibu nyumbani, welcome home to Kenya, to all of you. Asanteni sana.
So, Your Excellency, if I may request another round of applause, please, for the bucket list. Must-see places for Kenya. At this point, Your Excellency, I'll request that you be presented with a gift by the Chair, KTB, Kenya Tourism Board. There is a gift to be presented, and may I request that to flank, we have the CS Tourism, we have the PS Tourism and PS Wildlife, together with the CEO, KTB, to just come and flank as His Excellency receives that that gift from the KTB board. Let's also prepare for photo number 2, where we have Fred Kaigwa, Nicanor Sabula, Philip Kibet, Julius Owino, Liz Aluvanze, to be pleased coming forward. The second and final photo is going to be Fred Kaigwa, Nicanor Sabula, Mike Masharia, Philip Kibet Rono, Julius Owino, Liz Aluvanze, and a representative from Kenya Community-Based Tourism Network. Okay, the photo is taken, so